Welcome to Bytepaper Orders Demo. In this video, we will learn how you can place an order using WhatsApp with attachments. So to initiate your order, you can simply type hi on our demo account number. Once once you'll send hi, automatically bot will respond. So for example, now you can see bot has responded with welcome to Bytepaper Order Demo, and you have two options: place a new order and check order status. So when you click on place new order, again bot will receive your response and bot will send you another response. So in this response, bot is giving you three options. One is to order with image, second is to order with item list, and third is to order on web store. So this demo is about how you can order with image or attachment. So I'll select first option, order with image. Now when you click on order with image, then bot will give you an order form. So as you can see, it is written as send an attachment like a prescription or item list. So if I want to send it, I can I need to click to place order button. So once I click it, automatically a form opens where I will enter my delivery address. So let's say I have written Noida sector 125, and now I can upload maximum 10 photos. So I can add 1 to 10 photos using this box. So I can click on take photo. Now it is asking me to click a photo. So I have clicked a photo. This photo can be of any prescription or your past order or anything. If I want to add more pictures, I can click on add more photo and I can add more photos. Now, so I have added 2 photos, and then I will just simply click on complete. So once I have clicked on complete, automatically my order will get created, and Bytepaper software will process this message and automatically creates the order. Now as you can see, my order is created and I have automatically received a response which is with my order tracking link and my order number. Now I can click on complete order and it will open my order tracking page where my attachments will be shown, and if I want to add additional products, I can add those products also. So this is how you can place an order using attachment with Bytepaper. Thank you. Welcome to Bytepaper Order Demo. In this video, we will understand how you can upload list of items using WhatsApp, and you can place your order. So to initiate your order, you can simply send hi message on our order demo WhatsApp number. And once you will send a hi message, bot will receive this message and sends you a response. So as you can see, bot has responded with a welcome message. Now I have two options: to check order status or to place a new order. Once I click on place a new order, then based on my selection, bot will again send me a response where it will give me three options. So as you can see, I have received three options. One is order with image, order with item list, and order on web store. So now I'm going to select order with item list. So once I enter my response, bot will again send me a message which will give me an order form. Now I can click to place order button. And once I click on it, it will ask me two things. One is my delivery address and second one is my product list. Also, these form items are completely customizable. If you want to add more text boxes, then you can customize this form using our Bytepaper software. And this is very flexible. You can customize, you can add more fields also. So now I'm going to add my delivery address. And here in product list, I can add products that I want to order. So for example, I want Dettol 1 pieces. Then I am ordering Horlicks 1 kg, and then Savlon 2 pieces. So I can add list of product items that I want to order and then click on complete. Now once I click on complete, again this response will be forwarded to Bytepaper software where the software will process this order in backend, and automatically order will generated and you will receive a WhatsApp message with your order number and order completion link. Now when you click on this complete order, it will open the order detail page. As of now, the products are not processed. It will be validated by the backend team, and once the products are validated and approved by the backend team, then automatically the grand total and product list will appear in this order tracking link. So this is how you can place an order using WhatsApp and how this order will be created on Bytepaper. Thank you. Welcome to Bytepaper Order Demo. In this demo, we will understand how you can place order using your web store link. So to initiate order, you can send a hi message on our demo account number. And once you'll send a hi message, automatically our bot will respond, and you can select option from place a new order and check order status. So to place a new order, I'm selecting place a new order option. Now once you click on place a new order, you will receive a response from bot where you will receive three possible options. One is order with image, one is order with item list, and the third one is order on web store. So you need to click on order on web store. Once you will click on order on web store, automatically bot will create a custom order link for you. You just need to click on this link and it will take you to the order web store page. Now automatically a order space will be created for you, and you can click on add products in order. So you can add items like, so for example, I have added these 3 medicines, then click submit. So automatically these 3 products will be added based on the product database. Your total amount, discounted value, everything will be added. Now user can click on place order. So once the user will click on place order, it will automatically web store will ask for the delivery address. So user can add multiple delivery address, and user can also select from the list of already added addresses. So I'm selecting one address, and now automatically my order will get processed, and order placed message will appear. I have also payment links. I can add attachments if I want. If I need any help, I can click on need help option. So this is your custom order page, and this is your order tracking link also. So this is how you can place an order using WhatsApp, and automatically based on your actions that you have taken on web store, you will receive all these things. So first message is related to order initiation, second message is related to order placement, and third message is this message will be received to web store owner or you as a customer, and it will give you an option. It will give you a message which shows what is the order number, what is the order amount, and what is the payment status. So you will receive as a business owner that someone has placed an order, and then you can click on view order page to check the customer details and total order value. So this is how you can place an order using WhatsApp, and this is how the orders will get processed in Bytepaper. Thank you.
Welcome to Bytepaper Demo. In this demo, we will understand how customers can check their order status using WhatsApp and Bytepaper. So to initiate bot conversation, customer can send a hi message. Once bot receives the hi message, bot will automatically send you a response. So now you have received a response, and you have two options: place a new order and check order status. So to check order status, I will click on check order status button. Now you will receive a response where bot will send you a order status form, and it will ask you to enter your order number. So I have received this response. Now I'm clicking on check status, and here I can enter my order number. Now bot will check the status of the order, and based on your configured text message, bot will respond with the order status. So now this is my configured text message, and in this you can see the order number is 572, the status is active, stage is placed, and payment status is not paid. You can configure the contents of this text message, and based on your configuration, bot will respond with the order status message. So this is how you can check order status using WhatsApp and Bytepaper. Thank you.
Welcome to Bytepaper Demo. In this video, we will understand how our backend looks like and how you are going to check all the incoming chats, all the orders that are placed on WhatsApp and web store. So first, to log in on our backend, you need to visit one.bytepaper.com, and once you'll visit this URL, you will get this login screen. If you don't have your account created, you can click on sign up option, where you can fill all these informations and you can create your account. Once your account is created, you can log in with your credentials. After login, you will come to this panel. Here there are different applications available. Chat application is your team inbox, where you will receive all the incoming chats, all the bot conversation you can see here. Then in contact application, you can see list of all the contacts who have contacted you over WhatsApp. In the orders application, you can see all the incoming orders. You can click on specific order to check the products that are being ordered. Also, there are order links available, so you can click here and see the order link. This is similar to what you have already experienced in our web store demo. Also, you can view list of products. You can update your products here. You can update your store information here. You can generate reports related to orders and products. Also, there are broadcasting options available. So if you want to run a WhatsApp campaign on all your customers, or if you want to set up a bot for your incoming messages, all these actions can be taken here. Also, there are triggers and events available. So if you want to send a message on order creation, if you want to set up an event for profile completion, or if you want to send a WhatsApp message after 5 days or after 30 days of order placement, you can configure these options of it also. Bytepaper gives you a call tracking app. So it's a simple app that you can install in your Android phones, and all the incoming calls, outgoing calls, and missed call history will automatically get synced with Bytepaper. So this is a brief demo of our application. You can create your account, or you can contact our team to have a detailed demo, and you can track your entire work, your chats, contacts, broadcast, order, bots, everything can be managed by the backend application. Also, we have integration with Marg. So with Marg integration, you can connect your Marg software with our backend application. So all the invoices that you will generate in Marg will automatically be sent using your connected WhatsApp number. So instead of Mark sender ID, your sender ID will be visible to the customers, and whenever customers will reply back on the same WhatsApp number, you can see all the incoming chats here. So this is a brief demo of our application. Please contact us if you want this demo in detail. We will show you all the features and all the applications in detail. Thank you.